Why is
And
now a good time to take a mortgage in Israel, specifically now?
so we mentioned before that you have the 2080
Straight,
deals.
yeah.
So if, let's say, by the way, you're taking now, you
Or
bought for
1090 also,
or
1090.
1090, for
1090,
example, if you
yeah.
put a down payment of, let's say, 10% or 20%, if you take a small percent of the mortgage now, so the mortgage is considerably, so you don't withdraw the full amount, withdraw a small amount. So basically, you'll be paying interest only amount. So you won't be paying for the full amount. Why is it smart thing to do? Because now the rates are pretty high. The bank spreads between the amount that it costs them to buy it and the price that they're selling it for is very low. Now, if you're taking now a small portion of the mortgage, you fix the spread. And what does that mean? That means when the rates go down and you withdraw the full amount, you will also get a low rate and a small spread. That means that your total rate will be very, very low. If whenever
So
you take a
it just
mortgage,
seems like it's always better to take a mortgage when there's low interest rates.
but a lot of people don't know the way it works. The final rate that you get is calculated by the price that the bank pays for the money that he's borrowing,
Yeah.
and plus a spread that he has, and that's the total rate that you will have. If, let's say, the bank is purchasing the money for 4%, and he wants to sell it to you by 5%, so he will have a spread of 1%. That's his profit. Now, if, let's say, the bank can buy it for 3%,
Right.
and he still can sell it to you by 5% because people buy it.
So his profit is doubled now to
So now
2%.
it's 2%. What happens if you already withdraw a small part of your mortgage when the margin was 1%? That means then the rates go down to 3%. The bank can't double now the spread.
He can't
So you will get it
he
for
can't double
4%.
down. He can't double down on you.
Exactly. So now you
Uh,
bought it for 5% for a small part, but all the rest of the money that you still didn't withdraw, you will
right.
have a very, very low rate. I did a calculation for one of my clients.
Yeah.
I saved him probably like 1 million shekels just from that little trick.